What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today marks the first week of me trying to grow my beard out. And hey, this is what I got so far, man. You know what I'm saying? And this is coming from somebody who at least thought couldn't grow facial hair, you know what I'm saying? I guess I could a little bit, you know what I mean? Because it runs in my family. But some of the men have beards, some don't, you know what I mean? I have a little brother that got a beard too, you know what I mean? So, hey, I just kept mine cut, you know what I mean? I never knew I could grow a beard because when I was younger, of course, I didn't have any facial hair, so I thought I was one of the ones. I didn't get lucky like some of the guys, you know what I mean, growing up in elementary, got a full mustache, you know what I mean? But, yeah, this is what I'm working with right now. You see what I'm saying? It's not too bad. You know, you see all my weak spots. I want to get the beard, you know, up here if I can, you know, on both sides. And right now, it's really just underneath, you know, my sideburns. I cut some of my sideburns off, you know, to make the fade look good because I cut my own hair too. Let me know down below if y'all want haircut tutorials too. We can do a whole grooming session from rooter to the tutor. You feel me? That's what we say top to bottom in the South. Rooter to the tutor. We're talking about a pig, you know what I'm saying? But, you know. Neither here nor there. Anyway, these are my results, and I did not come along. I'm here to show you guys some of the products that I've started using within this week. So you can call this a week for the products too, because on my first video, I didn't really know too much of what I could use of day one of growing my beard out. And that day I was doing, you know, complete research just to see. And, you know, come to find out, a lot of this stuff that everybody is using to grow their beards is local. So I went to some stores, well, not me actually, my wife grabbed this black castor oil for my daughter's hair, you know what I mean? Because she was born with not that much hair at all, and now her hair is growing. And we used to put this on it. Now we don't really, you know, do this. We do other stuff. But yeah, we used to use that for her to help her hair grow and all of that because she was kind of, you know, a little bit on the bald side, but she got it now. But yes, I use the black castor oil. I've heard about the Jamaican black castor oil or whatever. I have not grabbed that yet. I think it's about the same, but I hear the Jamaican castor oil smells better or whatever. This don't smell bad, but it's loud. You know, my wife will tell you it's loud. She don't like me getting in the bed smelling like some castor oil or whatever. But that's what I use right here to keep the beard moisturized. And the main product that y'all all heard about that is, you know, huge right now in the beard community, especially for people who cannot grow beards, is the Minoxidil. I picked up this from Amazon, ordered it. It's the Kirkland brand, if you can see it right there. Hey, I'm trying it out just to see if I can get any, you know, hairs growing. I actually, you know, within the week, I actually started seeing some hairs. I don't know if y'all can see there goes one right there. And there's a few more y'all probably can't see. I got some on this side too. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but hey, they there. Other than the black castor oil and the Minoxidil, you know what I'm saying, the Kirkland brand Minoxidil, I got some biotin. It's the 10,000 mcgs, you know what I'm saying? So I picked me up some of that. And not only that, there's more, just wait. I have the handy dandy derma roller. This brand was also from Amazon. I bought a package deal with, you know, the Kirkland Minoxidil and got me a derma roller. And this brand right here is it says the pink derma roller system right there. So, you know, look that up. It was an Amazon's top pick, so I picked it. You know what I mean? I don't know anything about growing a beard, never done it. So if y'all coming to here and see somebody grow a beard from start to finish, from scratch, y'all come to the right place. Welcome to Locked In with Trey. Come join the Locked In fam right now. Hit that subscribe button. This channel is full of fun about life, you know, Can-Am Riker motorcycles. You know, I had a lock journey once upon a time, and I'm growing my hair out again, you know what I'm saying? And now we're doing beards. So, hey, if you coming to rock with your boy, come on and rock with your boy. Now, back to the derma roller. This is what it looks like in a see-through coffin, you know what I mean? But we're going to get this out of here and show y'all what it looked like. This is the 0.5 mm. So, yeah, just like that. And I started using this along with the Minoxidil, and I'm just trying to see what happens, you know what I mean? I'm just like everybody else who start their beard journey who don't know how to grow a beard and listen to everybody, you know what I mean? So I've been on YouTube checking out everybody's stuff, and yeah, I'm starting my Minoxidil journey along with everybody else. So if you come to see how the Minoxidil work, hey, this is what we got, you know what I mean? So far I got the Minoxidil, I got the derma roller, I got the black castor oil, Hey, comment down below if there's any more oils I should check out other than the Jamaican black castor oil, you know what I'm saying? And I got the biotin right there. So I got all the ingredients for a beard, supposedly. So wish me luck. It's only been a week, so I'm not expecting, you know, just crazy growth within a week. I know this takes time, especially when I've never grown a beard out before in my life, let alone had this much hair. So, hey, and this has really been longer than a week that I've grown it. I've just decided to start my journey a week ago, you know what I'm saying? I started day one growing my beard just to see if there's any improvement. Y'all see it, boom, boom. Soon I'm gonna be doing pictures at the end of the video so y'all can see the progress and all that. This is just breaking the ice, really, you know what I'm saying? So come on, join your boy, wish me luck, and we in this thing, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think? Now back to this Minoxidil. I just did my Minoxidil session, you know what I mean? 2 a days, you know what I'm saying? Once in the morning, once at night, and then I derma roll in the middle of the day once this is dry. I don't derma roll and then put this on because this is alcohol based and I'm not trying to just burn my face off, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to go full Ghost Rider, no. But if you can handle it, hey, go for it. Some people's tolerance is way higher than other people's, you know what I mean? I got a high tolerance, but I'm also not trying to do that. I'm good with the long results. I'm not trying to speed to it because, you know, it'll happen or it won't, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do this for like a year, year and a half, maybe even 2 years and see where it gets me. But so far, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? This is the most I've ever had on my face. Now, do I need to cut it off and start over from scratch? Let me know down in the comments. I'll do that so y'all can just see it for yourself from scratch. But I think I have enough weak spots and bald spots that if it works, y'all gonna be able to notice. So I don't know if I'm gonna cut it just right off the bat because this is the most I've ever had. But anyway, like I said, I just finished the Minoxidil session. So it's really kind of dry and you can kind of see some discoloration from my skin being dry. I keep the black castor oil on there anytime it get like flaky or whatever because the Minoxidil does dry your skin out. But for the most part, it's good. It's really not painful. The derma roller is really not painful, you know what I'm saying? It does kind of inflame your face a little bit. It kind of make it red, especially if you're a lighter tone, lighter skin person, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really that light, you know what I mean? But it does have a little red and swelling sometimes, you know what I mean, when I use it. So I take my time with that and it usually takes me about anywhere between 5 minutes or less. Let's just say that 5 or less minutes to do the derma roll session. So I'm not a guru. I don't know anything about growing beards, but maybe one day I will. Rock with your boy and we're gonna see where it takes us. But anyways, that is it for the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe and join the family, the Locked In fam. And hey, you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.